Carolina Lopez. I will present activity number 3. She is brushing her hair. And she is wearing a blue dress and red shoes. She is not playing. He is throwing the garbage. He is wearing a red and orange stitch, blue pants, and red yellow shoes. He is not a student. The boy is washing his hands. The child is wearing a green stitch. The child is not eating. The boy is taking a bath. He is not greeting. The child is brushing his teeth. He is wearing a blue stitch and blue pants. He is not running. He is eating. He is wearing a white shirt. He is not cooking. She is shopping at the supermarket. She is wearing a red shirt, black shorts, and red tennis shoes. She is not singing. She is reading a book. She is wearing a blue shirt, a yellow skirt, and red and white sneakers. She is not watching TV. He is sleeping. He is wearing green pajamas. He is not dancing. She is cooking. She is wearing a pink skirt and white skirt and white skirt and white hat. She is not jumping. Thank you very much. Bye bye.